episode, we're talking about something really relevant and really needed. And I don't think you can focus on this enough. And that is, especially right now, and that is, how do you bounce back after troubled times? Or, I love to say, how do you bounce back even when there's a pivot, a disruption in your life? So my first tip is to quit giving power to what knocked you down in the first place. Now, let me explain that. Giving power to what knocked you down. That doesn't mean that you're telling that thing that it won, but it does live under talking about it all the time, over and over and over again. You may have heard me say 1 or 1,000,000 times, energy grows where energy goes. When you have a conversation about something repeatedly, when you share it with this person and this person or on social media, you're actually giving energy to that thing. And so often we give energy to the situation, to the circumstance. Let me tell you what happened to me. Let me tell you what I've been through. Let me tell you what's going on in my life. Every time you do that, I don't want to discount what's happening, but when you focus on the situation, you're actually giving the situation more power. So my first piece of coaching is to quit giving power to what knocked you down in the first place. Whatever it is, it happened already. Allow it to live in the past and don't give it the power of being in your present tense. And your present tense is, what am I doing now? Number 2, we tend to have more grace with other people than we have with ourselves. So I'm just going to say this line, write this down. Give yourself 1,000 second chances. And every time, say every time with me, every time you get to 999, press reset. Give yourself 1,000 second chances to get it right. I would not be standing here. I would not be in front of this camera. I would not be sharing with you if I hadn't given Lisa 1,000 second chances, 1,000 separate times. And so have grace with yourself. Like, your job is not to get it perfect. Your job is just to get better, to get to your best. And what's incredible to understand, or what's necessary to understand, is that your best 5 years ago is not your best today. So don't judge yourself based on what you know now and look back at a decision you made in 1998 or 2010 and judge yourself for something you did back then based on what you know now. How do you move forward in troubled times? Number 1, you absolutely quit giving the power to what knocked you down. Take the power away. Focus on your next best season. Don't just look down, look up, look over the horizon. When I'm going through something, I love to design my life on the other side of it. Now, sometimes that's really hard to do because you're mucky. You're inside the financial challenge. You're inside the emotional woes. You're inside the toxic relationship. But if you can lift your head up long enough to see over the horizon and paint that picture and get sold out on your next, your now won't be as challenging to navigate through. And then second, having grace. Having grace, that's the part of your bounce back, to go, hold on, I get yet another chance. I know I've done this 10 times. I know I've done this 30 times, but this is called life. I get another chance. Every single time you get another chance to manage your finances, you get another chance to fall in love, you get another chance to press restart on love, you get another chance to design your perfect weight and health, you get another chance to have a spiritual, you get another chance. And then you get another chance. Man, I gotta tell you, having that grace with myself, that I'm not pursuing perfection, I'm pursuing the best version of me in this season, based on what I know right now. And 2 years from now, guess what? You'll know more and you'll be able to do more. But based on what you have now, what's your best look like? And if you know you didn't touch your best, if you know you didn't play full out, okay, reset, another chance and another chance. I often tell people, I've never been the smartest person that's out there playing. I'm not the most brilliant. That's just not my gift, but I am the most resilient. The difference between me and most is that they stopped at chance number 68. They kept score at chance number 2000. They felt like they should have had it mastered by then. Whereas I'm willing to press reset. And I want to invite you to do the same. Now, remember, This show is not just a monologue. This show is a dialogue. Hashtag delicious conversation. This show goes back and forth. So I would love to hear from you. It's necessary that I hear from you. I read your comments. My team reads your comments. We discuss your comments. Guess what? We determine future conversations on the Lisa Nichols Show based on your comments. So what was the big aha that you had from this particular episode? Where are you and how are you operating if you are navigating through a challenging time or an unexplained pivot or some tough terrain? What was oh, Lisa, I needed to be reminded of that. You might have already known it, but it just feels good to hear a sister friend remind you of it. Please leave me a comment below. Be sure, if you haven't already done so, to subscribe and look out for more content that's designed with you in mind. After all, this is your home. We are your tribe. And I am your sister in prosperity and in possibility. And every single time I say it, I believe in you and I love you. It's because I do. I'll see you real soon.